China has firmly opposed the United States' use of religion and human rights to meddle in Nigeria's affairs after Washington threatened a possible military action over the alleged killing of Christians in the north. During a news conference in Beijing today, the Chinese Foreign Ministry spokeswoman Mao Ning said religion and human rights is not an excuse to interfere with other countries' internal affairs and threatened them with sanctions and force. She says, as Nigeria's comprehensive strategic partner, China firmly supports the Nigerian government in leading its people on the development path suited to its national conditions. On Saturday, U.S. President Donald Trump threatened Nigeria with possible military action for the alleged killing of Christians, with claims that Christianity is facing an existential threat in Nigeria. He also accused radical Islamists of being responsible for the mass slaughter.